Welcome everyone. Today, I'm going to share a method that can assist you in earning a small amount of money with smallest effort. Please pay close attention to the information that I'll be providing and refrain from rewinding. One of the dominant investors in the projection is Vitalite but Aaron, co-founder of the Ethereum project, who personally, satisfied of the prospects of the project and the opportunity of conducting large giveaways, is a platform that enables you to make a net profit of between $100 to $2,000 without investing any capital. To begin, you need to link your wallet, such as MetaMask, Coinbase, or others, to the website. Remember that the airdrop algorithm scrutinizes your wallet activity, so you must have an active wallet with history to have a chance to win. As you can inspect, I got tokens from this drop, and I am really happy that completely every one of you can do the same. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck and have a nice day, everyone.